Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Today I'm in a collaboration called What Month Is It? The host is Tami from Happiness Created. Her guest host is Brenda from Monner's Market. And her second guest host is Tiffany from Broke Girl Aesthetic. So I decided I had this tree sitting around. I'd ordered from Sweet Deals Finder through Amazon. And I have 3 nieces who have birthdays this month, and they celebrate their birthday all together at the end of the month with a slumber party. And my next project is something that I'm making for all 3 of them. I'm only going to show you one, but I'm going to make it for all 3 with their names. And so I decided I would decorate this tree and have that sitting there with their gifts, their personalized gifts that I'm making for them. It does light up, so I feel like it'll be very pretty. They are all becoming teenagers, and one is on the verge of becoming a teenager. So I feel like it's time for a little bit more of a teenage party instead of just, pink and all that stuff. So this will represent their birthday. So here I'm just putting the tree together. It just screws in this base. Okay, here I'm taking some head pins, some glass garnet beads I ordered from Amazon, and some metal beads that I got from Joann's, and I got the head pins from Joann's as well. And I took a garnet bead, a metal flower looking bead, and another garnet bead, and I put it on the head pin, and I bent it and wrapped it around the end of one of the tree branches. Here I am taking some yarn, garnet collared, and I'm just wrapping it around this box. I'm going to make a tassel. So I just wrap it around this box quite a few times. I'm also going to add some of this silver thread around the garnet collared yarn. And then I add some more on top. And here I'm just sliding my bundle down off the box. And then I'm going to take another piece of yarn and I'm going to wrap it around the middle and tie a knot onto that. And that's what I'm going to use to hang my tassel. Okay, here I'm just going to give my tassel a little haircut, trim it all off at the end, try to make it as even as you can. Then I'm going to lay it down and I'm going to tie off just about an inch at the top, just to give it that, I don't know what that's called, but it's just a little fat look to make it look like a tassel. Little fat knot, I don't know what else to call it. And here I was just making like another bead, like I added onto my tree. I added some beads to the top of the tassel, and then I make like a little dangle bead with a head pin to hang off the tassel. Okay, I'm just taking a Michael's canvas and I just cut around that and removed that off of the frame. Instead of going through and removing all the staples, you're not going to see them anyway. So I just saved myself some work. And then I went into Cricut Design Space and I cut out my niece's name, Bella, and I cut that with heat transfer vinyl. And here I'm going to hang this tassel off the top of this canvas. So I just wanted to make sure it barely hangs onto her name there. And this is the word January. I just did the same thing on Cricut Design Space. I just typed it up in the same font. Now this is a different font. And I'm just using my Cricut heat press to put that down there. And then I went into Cricut Design Space and I typed out garnet is the birthstone for January. It represents love and friendship. You are intelligent and beautiful. And that's what I'm going to iron onto the canvas now. Okay, now I'm taking the string that I tied around the middle of the tassel before we cut it in two, and I'm taking my staple gun. I'm just stapling that to the wood frame so that'll hang down onto the canvas. And here I'm just taking my frame and positioning it to where everything is even, and I'm just going back onto the back and putting my staples in, trying to make sure everything is as tight as I can get it. And here I'm just trimming the excess canvas off the back. And here it is finished, and I will do a final reveal at the end of this video on both of my projects. I hope you all take a look at this playlist and go and visit these ladies' channels. They are all amazing crafters. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. If you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you coming back and watching this video. And everybody have a nice, safe weekend. Thank you.